Hello, my name is Larin.
My name is Lenya.
And our project is named Tenuto.
And we want to introduce you to our project, which is Tenuto. And Tenuto came from a systole, and a systole is a straight line when the heart stops beating.
Our aim for this project is to make people aware of the cause of deaths. And usually people think that the cause of death is just heart attack, but it doesn't work that way. Heart is related to every organ in our body. And of course, we have a plan to visit the medical universities that studies for doctor. When they have a case like this heart attack, they don't have to just look after the heart. They have to look to the other organisms as well and examine every organisms. And when you have a heart attack in the emergency, they will straight away shock the heart. And the paramedics just give medicines for the heart. But it doesn't actually work that way, especially our kidney is the main cause of heart attack.